Your York furnace is not a superior furnace at all. It has this problems with it, and it has a defect in it. This particular one is called the Affinity 9 C series, and what happens is a collection of water goes into the motor that circulates the air to go into it, and when that water goes in, it will shut it down. Under here is the electronic components, and as I show you where the water drips into a drip pan, it could eventually destroy this whole unit. When I open it up here, as you can see, it's fired up. I need to flash a flashlight, and as you can see down here, there's been some water damage. It's rusting up over here. Now I'm going to take out these tubes, and I have to do this periodically, maybe 2-3 times a week. And as you can see, I'll just put a napkin underneath this tube here. As I'm flashing the light right into here, I'm going to pull this tube, and you'll see a lot of water come out. Now, if that water would ever go into the circuitry down here, this whole unit would be completely destroyed. I'm not finished yet, hold on. I'll show you the amount of water that actually comes out. I'm going to get another napkin to make sure that no more water goes into the unit. You can see over here it's still dripping. And over here, that alone would destroy the unit. I got another napkin underneath, and it's still collecting water. Your Affinity York furnace wasn't built for a lifetime. It would break down in a week.